Good day everyone. This time let's answer 3x raised to 4 is equal to 48, then find x squared plus 3. The first step of solving this question is by finding first the value of x from the equation 3x raised to 4 is equal to 48 by dividing both sides by the coefficient 3. 3 divided by 3 is x raised to 4 is equal to 48 divided by 3 is 16. Now, as we observe that the highest degree or exponent is 4, it means we need to identify the fourth root of both sides. So, x raised to 4, the fourth root of x raised to 4 is x, and the fourth root of 16 is what number was multiplied by itself 4 times, that the answer is 16. And as we know, it is 2. We already know that the value of x is 2. And then, we need to substitute this value from the given expression, which is x squared plus 3. We all know that x is equal to 2, then 2 squared plus 3. Then we already know that 2 squared is equal to 4 plus 3. Then, therefore, x squared plus 3 is equal to 7.